Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So I've been wanting to make this video on ungroundedness, grounding, basically grounding. I see so many kids nowadays and even grown-up individuals being so ungrounded. Now, how do you locate somebody's ungrounded? Okay, you locate by that person's energy. If an ungrounded person who has no grounding in their life or is very ungrounded, when that person sits next to me, I start feeling anxiety because I'm actually perceiving what that person is perceiving. That person will always be hyper. You see, people are always hyper. They're always eating something. They're trying to make themselves feel better, or they're smoking continuously, or maybe they will be in some kind of intoxication or drugs, or especially small kids. If you see, they go extremely hyper, right? So there is something lacking emotionally within you, and that's why you feel so ungrounded. That happens to me too. It's not that it doesn't happen to me. When I am a little emotionally stressed, I get very ungrounded. I start acting weird. I get very hyper. I start talking weird things. I'm not within myself. So why do we get ungrounded? We get ungrounded because, see, there is grounding always comes from the Mother Earth, right? When you see a tree and when you see the roots of the tree, if the tree is the roots are strong, then the tree will grow strong. So basically, our roots, when they are not strong, if you are having a lot of emotional problem since your childhood, or maybe kids who see their parents fighting a lot, they might suffer from these things. There is no emotional bonding with the mother because our earth, Mother Earth signifies our mother too, right? So our base, basically our base chakra, when it is not in alignment with Mother Earth, that is where we get ungrounded. That is why so much of drug abuse, there's so much of alcohol, smoking, overeating. We tend to put on weight also when we are ungrounded. So we have to understand this very well, right? So what do we do? Now, when our root chakra is not balanced, we tend to feel ungrounded. And root chakra is not just for abundance, for money, for intimacy, but is also for the connection you make with others. The way you deal with your emotional issues, the way you deal with other people in your life, it's for that too. So, what to do? Very simple remedy. Very simple one. I have these two terminators. Now you tell me what terminators. Please go and watch my crystal workshop video. I have mentioned everything in that. These are two pointed crystals. Okay, you will get them at the crystal shop. The number that I've mentioned in the crystal workshop video in the description. The number is there. Please call him because these I have bought from him only. So these are two pointed crystals. Okay. Now either you take like this plain clear quartz, or you take one clear quartz, one black tourmaline, okay, or you could even take one clear quartz and one rose quartz, whatever intuitively color you feel like you need to connect with. Okay, this is what I've said in my crystal workshop video too. So please go and watch that video so that you can do this remedy if you feel ungrounded all the time. If your relationship has broken, if you're you're going through something in your workspace also, then also you can get ungrounded. If you see in the workspace, there are so many people, they're continuously smoking when they're working because they maybe the whole stress is making their roots shake, right? So the first thing that you need to do is you need to take these two crystals. Okay, what you're going to do is on your palm, one crystal you will point, the point will be downwards. Okay, can you see this? Downwards. And the other side of the other hand, the point is going to be upwards. The point is upwards and this one is downwards. Okay, you're going to keep it like this. Now if it's your child, try to teach your child to do this practice because it's very useful. Just take both the crystals in your hand. Okay, one is going down and one is going up. This is going to balance the energy. Then you're going to make the child sit on the bare floor. No mat, nothing. So that as much as you or your child or anyone who's doing this connects with Mother Earth. Okay, after there is a total connection with Mother Earth. Okay, you're going to imagine roots coming out of your body and going into the Mother Earth, as if you're a tree. Okay, as if you're a tree, and there are strong roots coming out of your body and holding on to Mother Earth. Okay, and then these two crystals in hand, and you're going to sit like this for at least minimum 10 minutes, maximum 20-25 minutes. Do this for 21 days. Do let me know in the comments how it helped you, because it really helps you ground energy. Suppose you don't have time for meditation, you don't have time to do this practice every day, just hold these crystals in your hand for some time, 10 minutes, even if you're in your office or you're anywhere at home working, just it'll take you 10 minutes to point this down and this up. Keep it, hold it in your hand for like 2-3 minutes, and then keep it in a pouch in your purse or anywhere you can keep it. Then again after 1 or 2 hours you can do the same thing. So that is also one way to do it. But if you do the meditation, it's going to be a lot of difference. You will see, what happens is when you are not grounded, your mind also works in that way. Your logical mind will not be with you. You will always think of illogical things. You will not make proper decisions. You are not going to be that person who will be called a sensible or a wise one. People who are more grounded, who are strongly, their roots, their feet are on the ground, are always more practical and logical people. And they will never get into any kind of intoxication, any kind of, dependency on food, cigarettes, alcohol, drugs, or any other, even sugar. Sugar is one big intoxication. So even that you will not go to. You will find yourself taking care of your health, very balanced, very practical in life. So do this. It's a very simple technique, but very useful. And call me for paid appointments only. Email me for paid appointments only. And go and like my Facebook page, my Twitter, my Instagram, and my channel, YouTube channel. Share it with everybody, and so that more people can benefit. Do not forget to subscribe. Don't only watch, subscribe too. That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye.